You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. From Spanish originally, it's from an opera, it's a Sevillian. From Seville in southern Spain, a character, the marriage of Figaro is the Spanish pronunciation. Figaro. Figaro. In Spanish, the stress is on the ga syllable, so the marriage of Figaro. How to pronounce Figaro. In French, it's a newspaper, pronounced Figaro as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.